comes Kaizer Motaung from the United States. He introduces a new model, and we don't capture that as researchers in entrepreneurship and so on. And that new model that Kaizer Motaung introduced changed the landscape of soccer in the black community. Pirates had to copy it, and the copying, it was, there were fights and so on, real fights.
For tuning in, remember to give the video a like, remember to subscribe. I will be telling you about Kaizer Chiefs interested in a Asante Katoko midfielder, probably to bolster the team for the competition, and they'll obviously be participating in the CAF Confederations Cup return. And we saw them bowing out okay, they made the group stages. I'm sure that Kaizer Chiefs will want to go all the way and win the CAF Confederations Cup this time around, and that is the mandate. Fernando da Cruz has to start winning trophies immediately. Lapayana Kaizer Chiefs, right, guys? I already told you about Kaizer Chiefs' interest in a Scotland FC midfielder. That is Moses Shidolo from. We'll see. We will see the team participating in South Africa, a good Toyota Cup, playing against the Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs will be in the action against the likes of Abu Musona and Abu Kama Biliat, and Moses Shudolo will also be in action. But guys, before we talk about the transfer update, let us have a look at this clip.
How's your wife? Talking of changes, Sis Jess, you spoke about the jersey, the players, the people on the touchline. When can we expect maybe to hear officially from the club to say, when are we having a new coach?
Well, today is certainly about announcing the Toyota Cup, but in due course, in the next few days and weeks, the club will announce many, many things. So I'm advising our supporters and everyone to watch the space.
Bafana, we saw them bowing out against Canada. Unfortunately, that is the knockout nature of the World Cup, the business end of the World Cup. Teams are beginning to come out, and we saw with Africa being a lot of representatives, 90% CAF. So it will go down knockout. And then as I said, Bafana, we saw Mutau doing well. There's a couple of teams in Saudi Arabia that are looking at Khulisa Mutau. The only factor that could affect his move is his age. It's Ramtala and Umbogazi also as well. Umbogazi is linked with a couple of big teams in Europe. We hope he'll be making that move. We heard Hugo was saying that the MLS I'm finally, but that shows that he is a quality defender, currently rated the best defender at the FIFA World Cup. So let's hope he will make the team of the tournament. And what do you think of Umtaga? He's been training with Amazulu. I don't think he will be making that reunion with Kaizer Chiefs. So Umtaga to Chiefs, I don't think that will be happening. Matlo, currently just released by Kaizer Chiefs. He is linked with Stellenbosch. George Matlo is linked with Stellenbosch, and I don't think Umtaga will be following Thabo Moloisane to Kaizer Chiefs. There is a player, Upili, that is being linked with Ikosi, right, guys? Those are players that Kaizer Chiefs are looking to sign from Stellenbosch. And bad news for Uzwane. I know that Kaizer Chiefs will be keeping him. Bamrelisile Moloisane, and Arthur Zwane says that Uzwane, his former boy, I think he was promoted by Arthur Zwane. Arthur Zwane saying that he hopes that he bounces back from that disappointing loan spell from Swelele. So we'll see if he can impress with Da Cruz, because Da Cruz, they say that he recommended that he be kept. He wants to have another look at him, because when he first came to South Africa to coach Chiefs, he was impressed with Uzwane. So I think Uzwane mangabe uyamthanda Da Cruz unenhlanhla, right? And then The midfield I was talking about is coming from Asante Kotoko. Asante Kotoko, Balapane Ghana, Ghanaian Premier League. So yeah, it's a big team. Asante Kotoko, they need no introduction. The name is Herbert Gyan. Herbert Gyan, he is an attacking midfielder. He can play as a 6, he can play as an 8. They compare him to, they say he's similar to Tebogo Mokoena. Yeah, he can take those long range shots as well. They call him dynamic. So yeah, Bafetu, that is the play. I will try and get a clip for you, and then I will play that clip, Yaga Kian, and then so that you guys can see and judge for yourselves over to Unjani, like I did with Kolani Tosa. So yeah, guys, that is all I have for today. Remember to give the video a like. Remember to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Bye-bye.
I'm a coach.
Sure, Tumanjami. I just want to take this moment and wish you a happy birthday. I wish you nothing but the best in your career, and I wish you can score a lot of goals. I'm a coach for life.
This is the Kaizer Chiefs fans to see the positivity from their side. Modi steals it now. Can you find the gap for a shot? It's Tuba. Want to get Tuba? What a way to break the duck! What a way to score your first goal for the senior team!
That turnover once again from Modi. He keeps his line on the shoulder. That's a different dynamic that